And it's now time for the business day. The government is again talking bullish about addressing reform to public bureaucracy. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has described as critical the need to remove the obstacles that dull Jamaica's competitive edge. Details in this report.
The groundbreaking ceremony for the Gateway Logistics Hub along Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew on Friday. The $13 million project, which will house 21 warehouses, is expected to improve efficiency and connectivity for businesses island-wide. Aisha Campbell is CEO of Proven Properties Limited.
By entering this space, we are not just constructing warehouses. We are building gateways that connect businesses to regional and global markets.
The development comes amid a raging debate about the need to improve bureaucracy, fast-track economic growth, and position Jamaica as a competitor in the global production system. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says he's taken note of the concerns.
You can't talk about becoming a logistics if it is going to take you an inordinate period of time to get anything approved. And if the people who serve the bureaucracy don't understand that they have to be outcome-oriented instead of process-oriented. Critical. So, Tony, this infrastructure is important to logistics. But if we are going to be really serious players, we have to remove the obstacles that dull our competitive edge. So the ease and speed of doing business dulls our competitive edge.
Prime Minister Holness explained that the country must create an environment which gives investors confidence.
We are very serious about making Jamaica the fourth node in the logistics hub. And as you can see, we are working on all of the critical areas.
The Gateway Logistics Hub is a joint venture between Proven Properties Limited and Sage Logistics Infrastructure.
It will ensure that businesses can streamline their operations, reduce cost, and accelerate delivery times. This, ladies and gentlemen, is infrastructure designed to optimize supply chains.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading closed with the US dollar selling for an average $158.26. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.49. The pound is going for $208.29, while the euro is selling for an average $179.71. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 429 points today, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. 35 stocks advanced, including Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Knutsford Express, Berger Paints, and Guardian Holdings. The 45 declining stocks included Main Event Entertainment Group, CAC 2000, 138 Student Living, Cygnus Credit Investments 10.5% preference shares, and Jetcon Corporation. 33 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the business day. News from overseas are next.